Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can change keyboard theme in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, go to the typing interface and see here. It is in red color. Theme is in red color. Actually, this is not a default theme. Actually, I have already changed theme to this red color. So if you want to customize this theme and if you want to change to another theme, just you can do it. For that, go to the settings first. Go to settings and click on system settings and click on keyboard and input method and click on Gboard and click on theme. Here I have already selected this theme. I have previously used this theme. Actually default theme is here. This is default theme and I click on apply, and yes, default theme is applied. You can check it in the typing interface. Yes, it's in white color. And if you want to actually change to other language, other themes, other various color themes, you can select here. Different colors are available. This is a green color and click on apply. This is blue color. Click on apply, and you can go to home page and go to typing interface. See the changes. Wow, it's very nice compared to red. It can be used. Also, you can customize other things like landscapes here. Yes, it is downloaded and it's like a gradient and it's applied. It's also nice, and here are so many landscapes are also available and light gradient is also available. Wow, it's very beautiful. And also dark gradient is available. Yes, it's also very nice. Click on apply. So in this way you can change a different theme for your keyboard. Wow, it's very nice. And if you want to really go back to default theme, then you go to the same settings and go to theme. Here you go to select default and click on apply, and default theme will be applied. And these are all the my themes what you have selected previously, and they are showing here. And now I set back to default theme, but if you want to use your own customized theme, for example, so far I got selected only from the available theme. See here, go to settings, click on system settings, click on keyboard and input method and click on Gboard and click on theme. And in my themes, what you see here, or I have just picked up from this panel. So if you want to really add your own theme, your own background, and you go to click on this plus symbol, and you can here set any photo, and that photo will be added as a theme. Here I select my photo and click on next, and yes, they are in the background. See here. So in this way also you can customize your own theme for keyboard. Wow, see in this typing interface it is very nice. In this way you can easily customize, and you can add customized photos for background in the keyboard theme. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.